The Russian Ministry of Defense highlighted use of the Irbis radar station by servicemen of the North Troop Group. This sophisticated system enables reconnaissance up to 150 kilometers into enemy territory, proving essential in combat scenarios, detecting virtually all enemy fire units, from mortars and cannons to rocket artillery, as well as aerial targets such as drones. Israeli defense firm Rafael has announced the first operational use of its Spike Firefly drones, also known as MOs. With flight endurance of 15 to 30 minutes, the Spike Firefly drone has ability to loiter over targets and deliver precise strikes. Its compact size and lightweight design enable rapid deployment, making it an invaluable asset for modern military operations. An image has emerged on social media showing Iranian Navy's light frigate Irbis completely sunk in the port of Bandar Abbas. The cause of the incident remains unknown at this time. Iranian media have confirmed the incident, referring to it as an accident. The 37th Separate Marine Brigade of Ukraine has released images showcasing their armored humvee equipped with 4-shot laser-guided rocket pods. The deployment of rocket-armed humvees enhances the Ukrainian Marines' tactical flexibility and firepower, providing precision-guided capability for accurate strikes against enemy positions.